to the inaugural video for Traveler Adventures. I'm Keith.
I'm Keo.
And we welcome you to our journey. Let's go sail on this one. Mariner of the Sea is the very first one. Let's go. Rooms are ready. She got the card. 276.
You want that? This is my card. How did I do it?
No, you gotta insert it.
Oh, okay.
This ain't that new school yet. No, you gotta pull it out.
Well, duh.
Nope.
I went too fast?
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, there it goes. Green light.
And green light.
We have made it. We have made it, ladies and gents.
We're here. TV already on. Not a bad little room.
Not a bad little room. I'm gonna go get our bags real quick because you know me, I'm antsy.
She wants to do that. So
before we show you everything.
Give y'all.
Oh, go ahead.
You got a quick little tour. Bathroom here. You know, just a little standard bath. Looks wet, but it's not. I think it'd be big enough. And then life jackets. So we got closet, hangers on it.
Hey, Dre, you mind if I get some of them hangers, man? I need some wood and hang. Oh, damn it. They got the lock on them. They got the lock on them. They hip to your boy. Who the man to you?
Just a kitchen. Clothes. And then got her bed. Yeah, I might try to get that pillow top for it. That thing is way too much. So we're gonna go get the bags real quick, come back in, and then we'll both go out there on the balcony. So we're gonna go get the alright. So now the main reveal.
Yay, the balcony.
Of what everybody wants when they go cruising. Balcony. Watch your step.
Watch your step. That floor almost tripped you out.
Look at the beautiful wife right here. Yeah. So you right now.
My handsome husband.
We'll get better though. Look at that giant whale tail. Like say Disney. We can go in there one day. Where is you? Let's try to check that one out. Over here.
Double fisting.
Double fisting it. Question, serious. Don't ask about that. We're sailing away right now. So we're right behind us. We got five days of this. So hopefully we're gonna drink this. That's gonna be one of the goals. I'm gonna let you guys look at some of the views that we're gonna have.
What's wrong with you? Man.
You okay?
You got choked up a little bit.
I gotta cut it off. So we're doing the next one.
That hair is going.
Buffet in the background too, dancing over here. So we're going crazy.
There goes that braid.
There goes my hair over here. Yeah, we over here on drink number whatever. What time is it? It's drink o'clock. Always remember that. no matter where you at. Plus, too, my doctor said just keep drinking fluids. So this is what I'm doing. They say what? I'm
On
drinking.
vacation is always
I'm
drinking
drinking.
pop because you don't care about
All
the
I know,
time at all.
this is on doctor's orders. I'm drinking. All
You're not
right.
supposed to care about the time. If you want to wake up at 8,
Wake up at 8. That's what we're gonna do.
it's time to drink. So drink it.
Yeah, we got early down in the day at 5:30.
We started drinking what was that?
Yeah, we started drinking 11:30. You know, it's all gonna work out.
Vacation drinking.
Vacation time, vacation time. So that's all we're gonna do all day.
All day.
All day, every day. Here we go now.
Welcome back to Travel Adventures with KB.
I'm Keith.
I'm Keo.
Welcome back, guys. It's day 2. Yesterday was a little bit crazy for us. Day 1, you know, we got on the boat, tried to explore, look around, find out things to do.
Yeah.
We was drinking, pretty much eating, so we know yesterday was a little chaotic. Today we're in Nassau. We're about to get off the boat, walk around the pier, walk around the port a little bit, not to do too much. It's pretty much Nassau. We're supposed to be going to Labadee, but with everything that was going there, they switched it to here.
Yeah.
So
Sending prayers out to everybody that's going through wars right now. There's a lot of places.
yeah, so come along with us.
I'm looking over here. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, she's everywhere.
I
She's
just
everywhere.
don't know where to look
Yeah,
at.
she don't know where to look. We're, you know, we're all trying to figure this out together. You know, we're one big happy family over here. So,
Yes.
all right, guys, come along with us, and we'll see what adventures we get into today.
See you soon.
Freedom of the Seas part right next to us. This is our ship, Mariner of the Seas. A little bit of a different perspective of it once we're on the ground, looking up at these massive ones. Which one you like? You like the blue one or you like the white one? That's what everybody asks on these videos. The blue one does look better. It does look better. Yeah, but other ones that we've watched, they're the same thing. Blue or white? Blue or white? Y'all decide, let us know. I think we're gonna go with the blue one. Even though it is a different ship, but yeah. We're on one of them decks up there. Somewhere. One of them. We're trying to get our steps in. We ain't like riding these golf carts. Nah. Step in, step in, step in.
Woo! Love travel adventures.
Yeah, just traveling. We out here looking.
Why you got so deep?
We out here looking.
We out here. We out here.
We out here looking.
Looking at the little tree house out here. Well, you can't see it now. I'm just pointing to the water, actually. There, somewhere over there. Out yonder.
Out yonder.
Out yonder. It's a tree house. Oh, there's a lighthouse. Okay. You're making me nervous. Don't.
Well, we got our first Gus.
Shout out to
Views and Cues.
Views and Cues. I'm messing him up,
You're
honey.
messing him up, Brian and
No.
Carrie. Look at this.
Look at I'm messing him
Look
up.
at you messing him up. It was an
It's an elephant.
It was an elephant, guys. I don't know what it is now.
I was messing him up.
Look at that.
To Views and Cues.
Yeah, Brian and Carrie. This is from them. So if you don't know what the Gus is,
We're calling it a Gus.
y'all can go over there, watch it, subscribe to them.
Hopefully
But yeah.
Brian doesn't mind.
Yeah, hopefully Brian doesn't mind that we're calling it a Gus.
Yay!
That's our first Gus.
Yay!
It's an elephant. Wow. So, just got back from
Hi,
dinner.
Travel Adventures.
What's up, travelers?
Travelers.
Just got back from dinner. It was French theme tonight.
It was delicious.
It was good. It was good. Escargot, something I wouldn't
Awesome.
normally get, but I got it.
It's
Delicious. Highly recommend it. Creme brulee was good.
Yeah.
She had the apple
cobbler.
cobbler. And we also had some cookies.
Yeah.
Don't
Cookies
judge.
were delicious.
Don't judge
Got
us
a
for that.
Got a cappuccino.
She got a cappuccino. If y'all don't know, I don't drink coffee, so But
He's a hot chocolate type of guy.
I'm a hot chocolate, hot kind of
Hot.
guy. Yeah, you know. So yeah, so we're gonna change on up, and then we'll probably
Hopefully hit the casino soon.
we'll probably go to the casino. May or may not be able to film in there. Heard different things about it, but we'll find out for sure.
We'll find out, y'all.
If not, we're gonna catch up and get another drink,
Definitely.
and we'll probably get.
Espresso martinis, awesome on this cruise.
They are.
Awesome.
They are, and then probably get some pizza later on tonight.
Yep, definitely.
We'll let y'all know. We'll let y'all know.
Gluten free for me. I can't do it anymore.
Yeah, gluten for her. I'm definitely getting all the gluten I can get. So, all right. So we'll check back in with you guys later once we get a drink and everything else. Thank you for sticking around, and we'll see you guys later.
See you soon.